It's an iPhone 13.
So what is the earthquake?
News.
What is the earthquake?
Breaking news.
Uh-huh.
Breaking news.
Okay.
When I say breaking news, you tell me breaking news.
Breaking news.
Breaking news.
Breaking news.
Breaking news.
Okay, continue now.
Mudavadi.
Omwami himself.
Cliff Musalia Mudavadi to cause earthquake in Kenya. 23rd of January is the date. An earthquake is loading in Kenya.
Let me ask you a question.
Oh yes.
As just a mere Kenyan, and maybe perhaps a person who is privileged to be a political analyst. What is your interpretation about that?
My interpretation about that is Musalia Mudavadi is going to make a statement that maybe will make the political it will bring some political tension, and maybe it will also bring a wave that maybe might make it might shake the country.
Okay.
But to me, Mudavadi is already calling himself
Mudavadi the fifth.
He's already the fifth.
Kalonzo the fifth.
To my very own.
Who?
Moses, the seeker. He's the party leader and the only senator in his party.
Don't be biased here. We are not supposed.
No, not really. I'm not being biased.
You see,
but the fifth. Surely.
Moses
the fifth.
Masika Wetangula can be the fifth. Can be the fifth.
Let me tell you one thing, Peter. Peter.
Okay.
You cannot be a chairman of a cattle dip when you only have one cattle. Uko na ng'ombe moja na watu wako na ng'ombe 100 na unataka kuwa chairman of cattle dip. It is impossible. It's much impossible.
Now okay, fine. The thing is, I am finding the Kenyan politics quite fascinating.
Yes.
In this, we have seen Kalonzo Musyoka, the Wiper leader, being endorsed by the Kamba Nation.
Before we go far, I'm told that somebody attended the meeting in form of a reptile. And I know who was that. And Kalonzo just speaking, and Nani appeared in form of a reptile. I know who was that.
On behalf, Bruce will kill me. On behalf of my fellow Kamba natives and
actually, I've not mentioned anyone.
No, but you see, let's go. No, Bruce. Let us contextualize this discussion. That meeting happened in Matu.
Yes.
And now apparently some snake appeared from nowhere and actually caused a lot of chaos and melodramatic scenarios. And your own interpretation, you have confirmed here that was someone of which I don't know who that person is.
Yes, don't spoil issues. Don't spoil issues. We know who was attending that meeting in form of a reptile.
Okay.
We know who was that.
Okay, we don't disclose that person if you know. So I was saying.
And if I know, you know. And if I know, we know. And if we know, we know.
And if I know, you know. Fine.
And if we know.
So we saw the endorsement of Kalonzo by the Kamba Nation. Now we I'm assuming that the NC leader will be endorsed by the Luya Nation.
With the what? With the what? And the Luya Nation already has the fifth. The Luya Nation already has the fifth. You've not had that Nani is the fifth. You've not had that Nani is the fifth. You've not had that Mudavadi is the fifth. Weta is the fifth. And also Nani is the fifth.
We will be right back.